Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily fix drywall cracks on walls and ceilings.
Alright, so I'm going to repair this stress crack with crack tape by Straight Flex. It's a composite tape that's super strong. I'm using an all-purpose joint compound. You want to cut out what you need, the length of the crack. So we're going to go, you need a pair of scissors or a razor knife or some kind of snips, because it's strong.
See if you can find a couple framing members to put a screw on each side of the crack. That can help the crack not come back.
Again, you want to concentrate it on one part of the knife.
Keep in mind this is the first coat, so it doesn't have to be pretty. You just want to skim it pretty tight.
Then you want to go from the center out. The directions call to go over, once you've got it bedded, go over it one more time with a light coat. Okay, so we've let it dry about 2.5 hours and it's ready to get remudded. So first I'm going to go ahead and scrape around it, and what we're going to need to do is mud around the perimeter of the tape. Here, here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and scrape it.
If you have a cracked ceiling from an attic step through or just a sag from water damage, I'll leave a link in the YouTube card above to a video where I have a little drywall trick so that crack never comes back.
All right, going to do the second coat along the outside of the tape to make it all flush.
And if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Paul, and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my latest videos. I'll leave links to some other crack repair videos and also the tools and the crack tape that I used in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you have a crack on your wall or ceiling.
here's the third and final coat. We haven't done any sanding whatsoever.
I'll be using a 12-inch drywall taping knife on this third coat and also on the skim coat coming up.
I'm going to go ahead and skim the rest of this wall out. I'm going to treat it like it's just a regular wall, and that's what I would normally do if I had this many repairs on a wall. I'd go ahead and skim it out either for a smooth finish or for retexturing.
I'll leave a whole skim coating for beginners tutorial playlist in the YouTube card above.
All right, time to sand the drywall repairs. Whenever you're sanding drywall, wear a 2-strap respirator mask. Don't get the cheap paper mask with 1 strap, get the 2-strap. All right, I'm using a sanding sponge, 150 grit. Just going back and forth, anything I see. Then you want to feel it, because you can feel stuff that you can't see. So there's a spot, gonna hit that. The skim coat really smooths out the wall, so it's not gonna take a lot of sanding. So there it is. Ready for primer and paint. Let me know in the comment section what kind of drywall repair you're working on, or if you have a video request for me. And if you're looking to step up your drywall texturing or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. And if you have a friend that's a DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Check out one of these videos down below.